As we step into the fast-paced world of fashion, the demand for sustainable materials goes beyond the obvious. The need for new solutions to prolong the life cycle of garments has become a hot topic. Amidst this demand, a unique concept has emerged, one that possesses the power of self-healing materials produced by living microbes. In a multidisciplinary approach, Center for Young Synbioscientists researcher Manuel Arias Barrantes is exploring this highly futuristic approach.
So the idea here is to focus on the topic of engineered living materials, and then looking into how cells could be engineered to make these materials autonomous.
For example, fungal mycelium could be used as a living garment.
What if we could engineer the cells so that by activating these materials, sometimes they will be able to, let's say, regenerate or grow back in case they are broken. The autonomy of the material, we can think of it, for example, as a self-healing material, where the material would break, but then the cells will be able to regenerate and fix the material. And then that would allow us then to kind of keep the material lasting for longer.
Arias Barrantes is specializing in interdisciplinary material research. In addition to working with cell factories, he is bridging the gap between different disciplines, including design.
So, my research is twofold. So the first part is based on a series of experiments using different microbes, such as fungi or algae, for instance. And then through that practical work, the idea is to then build a methodology for designers interested in working with these living organisms, and then this will allow them to guide their own creative processes in the laboratory.
Self-healing living materials may sound like science fiction, but the vast possibilities offered by microbes and the tools of synthetic biology have proven to be a real inspiration for scientists, boldly reimagining the post-fossil world.
I think in the future, these sort of materials will be present for instance, let's say in our homes. They could be used as kind of panels for sequestrating carbon, for example. Our own garments in the future, that would keep us warm, but also, let's say, they could have some special functionality as changing if the temperature is colder or hotter, then this material will react also. So that's kind of what we are envisioning with this research.